think I broke my shoulder. No, it's okay.
How did you do that?
I don't know. It hurts so bad. It's like, ow.
Oh. So you don't know how you broke your shoulder?
No. It hurts.
Oh. Why don't you go eat that rice then?
I can't. It's like getting my rice. I'm so
Oh.
trash can now.
Oh.
Oh my god. Can't rice kill birds?
What's that?
Can't rice kill birds?
Can rice kill birds? Maybe. I don't think so.
I heard that they can't digest it and they'll blow up. Oh my god, I left the rice outside.
I think they can eat rice. I think it's only dry rice they can't eat. Wait.
I don't think they can eat rice, baby.
But they can't eat rice if
But
it's...
they can. I remember one time they can't eat rice.
I think birds can eat rice. I think they can.
I'm scared. Oh my god, I don't think they can do it. I don't think they can do it.
Was it dry or was it like cooked?
It's just dry.
Oh yeah, you killed a bunch of birds then.
Oh my god, no!
Yep.
Oh my god! I always wanted to hold a koala bear.
Koala bears? Are you sure you wouldn't kill them with rice?
Oh my god, Amy!
What?
Oh my god!
You have to face the truth.
I'm leaving. I'm going.
No, don't leave.
Yeah, I'm going.
I'll stop talking about rice, I promise. Oh, don't go.
Oh, it reminds me. I went to the refrigerator to get some rice, and like, oh wait, I told you that. Never mind.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you again.
Oh, you're so funny.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
No.
I'm gonna get caught.
Oh, fine.
I'm quiet. I'm gonna you out.
Dude. Hey Maddie, guess what?
What?
I've recorded everything you said.
Oh my god!
I'm serious. I'm not tripping, I'm serious. I've just recorded everything you said.
My heart. Oh my god, my heart. Okay.
Ow.
Why did you record it?
It's hilarious. I got your whole rant. Can I put it on YouTube? Can I? Do you have your
I'm gonna see. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Oh my god! Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
You need a... You know what?